Yo, what's happening everybody? It's Mystic here. I'm just making this video quickly to let everybody know that the MONAD airdrop has gone live. So you can go to the checker, click their link on their X and go check if you got an airdrop. So you can connect your Ethereum wallets and Solana wallets. Me, I have like 50 different wallets from Ethereum and Solana and dating back to like 2021 and stuff. Only one of my wallets were eligible, but I'm grateful still. I believe you had to do 10,000 transactions on Solana, so buys and sells to receive this airdrop. I did on one wallet. I had two other wallets which had higher volume, but obviously didn't have the 10,000 threshold. So one wallet was eligible, and I went to the link today. As of 1 hour, they released a link, and I went over and I claimed my boxes. So you get 3 boxes per day. I claimed my boxes and I got 1.9k. So I'll take it. I don't know how much it's gonna be. People are gonna say it's FTV is 6 cents. Some saying are 18. Some saying it's 30. I'm not too sure what it is, but all I know is I got 1,900. I'm happy. You know, money's money at the end of the day. I don't know how much it's gonna be in the FTV's actually gonna be, but we're gonna have to see. Also, I'd like to give some credit to MONAD. This is the coolest airdrop I've ever interacted with, because it's like it reminds me of like We Fit, the animation when you open the boxes. I wasn't thinking, I should have actually done it live, but as soon as I end this, I recorded one of the videos. Oh wait, I can replay. Here it is here. So yeah, this is the fattest box I opened. It's like We Fit or something, the animations. Look at this. Tell me this isn't like We Fit. It's cool as hell. So yeah, nah, I really like this airdrop. So 2 more days of opening boxes, 6 more boxes to go. I hope I continue getting the same amount. Even if I got like 6k monad, I'd be happy. And I don't really care how much it's going to be worth. You know what I'm saying? I'm just happy to be a part of it. You know. Um. But yeah, just a video to remind everybody that the claim is now open. Head over to Monad's Twitter. Make sure it's the official Twitter at Monad, and go to their most recent tweet 1 hour ago, and click the link and sign in with your wallets. And just remember that when you actually sign in, it's to sign in and lock, so you can't like try add more wallets to this account again. It's like you lock all your accounts. So yeah, make sure you have all your wallets connected, your eligible ones. Click in and open your boxes, boys. Here's my first. I'll show you the other boxes as well. Here's my first box. I was amazed with the animation. I didn't expect it to be like this cool. Usually airdrops are they're a bit more boring, you know. So I got 119 here, and then my last box. I was hopeful after seeing the third box get 2 or like 1.6. I was like, okay, this is gonna be good, but unfortunately we got 171. But we'll take it. My Twitter handle's up there, so if you haven't already, go follow me on Twitter. It's down below as well. My YouTube's doing good. I have 13 subs now, so yeah, I'm gonna keep on posting a lot of videos, be more consistent with it. New Solana airdrop video coming soon for Q4 2024. So yeah, I'm thinking of doing an updated video for Moby, because there's a few things that I left out in the first video. I kind of rushed the first video just to get it up. Once I knew some info about the airdrop, but I know more info now, and there's people asking questions in the comments. So I think I'll get a new video up maybe tomorrow for Moby, and maybe the day after the whole all Solana 2024 Q4, like the last few airdrops. The best ones you can start farming now in 2024. But sorry, what am I saying? 2025 going into 2026. There's a few new ones, and yeah, I wanna get maybe like four or five airdrops in one video for you. Maybe I can do an Ethereum one next, or whatever ones I'm looking at. Just a scattered ones on base, ones on, you know. But anyways, this is today's video. MONAD airdrop. I'll probably I'll throw my full allocation in the Solana video, so at the end of it I'll tell you exactly how much I got, how much it was worth. But yeah, I've been Mystic. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one, boys. Peace out.